Unlock the power of American Express for your Shopify store and watch your sales soar. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to seamlessly integrate American Express as a payment option within your Shopify store, opening your business up to even more customers. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then click on Settings located at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. This is your control panel for everything Shopify. Next, navigate to Payment Providers. This is where you'll manage all your payment gateways. If you're already using Shopify Payments, excellent! Click the Manage button within the Shopify Payments section. If you haven't set up Shopify Payments yet, you'll need to do that first. It's quick and easy. Within the Shopify Payments settings, ensure that American Express is enabled. It's usually toggled on by default, but double-check just to be sure. If it's not, simply flip the switch. If you prefer using a third-party payment gateway, scroll down to the third-party providers section and choose a provider that specifically supports American Express. Follow their instructions to connect it to your Shopify store. Now, let's talk fees. Shopify Payments has its own transaction fees, which can vary based on your Shopify plan. Third-party gateways also have their own fee structures, so make sure to compare and choose what's best for your business. And there you have it. Accepting American Express can boost your sales by catering to a wider audience. Remember to always review the fees. And happy selling!